So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to switch to percentage scale on TradingView. So first of all, open any web browser. As you can see, I've chosen Google Chrome and you can choose whichever you like, and then search for tradingview.com. And after coming on their website, you guys can see there are a bunch of options. You just have to click on the first one, which is called products, and then choose its first option, which is known as chart plus. Guys, after coming on the chart page, there are two ways to access the percentage scale. The first one is a shortcut, and you have to press two keys, which is Alt plus P. And the second one is that you guys can see this option right here. Now you just have to click in this area, and now you can see this option right here, which is called percentage. Now click on this, and as you can see guys, the scale has now been converted to percentage. So that's how you guys do it. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel to watch more future videos. And thanks for watching.